call for the restoration of democratic leadership. We, the women of Rivers State, gathered under the banner of justice and democracy, express our deep concern and total rejection of the recent declaration of state of emergency in our beloved state. This imposition is not driven by any genuine threat to national security, but is clearly a politically motivated maneuver aimed at subjugating our people and undermining our constitutional democracy. The overreach of the sole administrator, Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas, retired, is a glaring indicator of this political conquest. His actions, which go far beyond the limited powers of a placeholder, betray the impartiality expected of his office and reveal the real intention behind this emergency rule. A calculated power grab under the guise of national interest. We find it utterly confounding that the federal authorities in Abuja, relying on conjecture and manufactured narratives, would choose to descend with the full weight of force on Rivers State, deploying a sledgehammer to kill a fly, while ignoring the dire security emergencies ravaging other states like Borno, Yobe, Zamfara, Kaduna, Plateau, and Benue. In these states, terrorists have overrun entire communities, taking control of local governments and brutally murdered thousands of innocent citizens. Yet, no such declaration of emergency has been made. If the National Assembly intentions was truly to prevent a breakdown of law and order in Rivers State, a state that has remained relatively peaceful and has recorded no fatal incidents, why has it failed to take even more decisive actions in states where chaos and bloodshed are daily occurrences? The unconstitutional and provocative actions of the sole administrator further expose the underlying political agenda at play. What are we witnessing is not governance, it is occupation. Not democracy, but autocracy. Today, Rivers people, especially women, are outraged by what is fast becoming a dual system of laws in Nigeria. One for which states another unjust and repressive for Rivers people. We reject this blatant political invasion and the imposition of emergency rule in its entirety. Accordingly, we made the following demands. One, we appeal to the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as mothers and wives, to immediately reinstate all democratic institutions in Rivers State, including the return of our dear duly elected governor, His Excellency Amo Pusenibo, Sir Simnalai Fobara, GSSR, our restorer and our great leader. We demand an end to this unconstitutional military rule in Rivers State, marked as a state of emergency. It is unjustified, uncalled for, and unacceptable by Rivers women. We call upon eminent and respected Nigerians, including former presidents, General Abdulsalimi Abubakar, General Ibrahim Babangida, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, General Muhammadu Buhari, Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, as well as distinguished diplomats such as Tanko Yakashai, Dr. Goodnose Boladale Igali, Chief Victor Atta, and Senator David Mark, to urgently intervene and prevail on President Tinubu to reverse this injustice and restore full democratic governance in Rivers State. Number 5, we call on civil society organizations, human rights groups, and international community to speak out against this assault on democracy. There is no credible security threat in Rivers State to justify this state of emergency. The narrative being peddled is entirely fictitious, crafted to validate a political takeover. Rivers State is the heart of the Niger Delta, a region of immense national significance. Peace has prevailed in our communities. We will not allow anyone to steal our voices or subvert our will. Democracy in Rivers State, by the special grace of God, must be sustained in Jesus' name. And I say thank you and God bless you all.